What's up, everybody? It's Rico from Artificial Antics here, and I thought I would go over a little bit of ChatGPT tips for those of you on a fitness journey. I know it's a new year, so there's a lot of folks doing new year, new me, right? So I was asked by another gym goer the other day how I refine my workouts and do some of my meal plans. ChatGPT is a great resource for this, and I'm going to show you a little bit in a tutorial here to help you meet your fitness goals in 2025.
To get started with ChatGPT, all you need to do is go to chatgpt.com. They, of course, offer a free version as well as a paid version. You get a few more features with the paid version, but for this exercise here, we can just simply use the free version. So step one in this process is to first clearly define your fitness goals. Are you aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or just stay active? For this, we're going to use a simple example prompt of create a 4-day workout plan to help me lose weight and to build strength. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT gets to work straight away building your workout for you. We used a very simple prompt here with not much input. So again, as Mike and I always say, it's garbage in, garbage out. If there's something more that you want or exercises you want to refrain from, or you want to include certain pieces of exercise equipment, you'll want to include that in your prompt to get a proper output. Now, if you're thinking, Rico, I've been working out for a while and I have some workouts on my phone already that I've been keeping track of, or another record kept somewhere else, don't worry, we can input that data as well and then ask ChatGPT to give us some kind of result to let us know what areas we need to focus on, or maybe tell us what our rep ranges are or our weight ranges if you're into weightlifting and that type of thing. So it has many different features that we can use to help refine data and to get the information that we need. If you're like me and you use the Note app on your cell phone, you can also download those files and input those, just dropping the file in itself and then using that as a knowledge base. That feature, unfortunately, comes with ChatGPT Plus, so you're going to have to pay at least $20 a month in order to add the files, but a workaround for that is copy and pasting the text from your phone, maybe dropping it into the ChatGPT app, or sending it through an email and then copying and pasting it to your PC. Moving on to the meal plan portion, we're going to use a simple prompt of create a 2,000 calorie meal plan for someone who's gluten-free and trying to lose weight. If you're just starting out and you're not sure how many calories you need to intake each day or how to run a caloric deficit while you're working out and still obtain the gains that you're looking for, no need to worry. ChatGPT is your personal fitness coach, and the magic of it is that you can ask it questions, it'll give you a response back, and it will let you know the information you need to know based on the questions that you ask it. So there you have it, folks. Use ChatGPT to your benefit and get your fitness goals underway. Make 2025 your year and see the body transformation and the nutritional transformation you want to see in your life. I'm Rico from Antics TV. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you in the lab soon.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected with us on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn for all the latest updates. And check out antics.tv or our YouTube channel at Artificial Antics. We'll see you back in the lab soon.